Come here. Come here. Sit down. Sit. Sit. I need you to be my co-host. Sit down. Okay. Hi, welcome to another video. Whoa. Nature. Welcome to another Make More video. I am Liz. Today I'm going to be building an agility course for my pups. We are on day 10 of the shelter-in-place mandate for the coronavirus. We're running out of things to do, and this seemed like a very good idea for today, so that is what we will be doing. Okay, here's the plan of attack. We're gonna start here. We're gonna go behind the studio, over, through, over, around here onto like a seesaw type of thing, around the garden, around my tomato plants, up, 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 and then around, and then over, and then back to the starting spot. For the seesaw, we've got this here stump, which is not exactly round, but it's pretty close. I think it might work. Oh, not gonna work. All right, so I'm gonna have to find a new fulcrum now. I'm not sure where that's gonna be. Ooh, I have an idea. Okay, new plan. We'll see if that's gonna work. We've got this piece of shelf. The shelf's not big enough, or the Home Depot bucket is too big. Oh, excuse me. Pollen is really bad today. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. I think that this, although it's not as big as I was thinking, so I'm gonna add, well, I did add a couple of thick boards under each side to give it a little bit more incline there. Hurdles are set up. I'm gonna build a tunnel in the middle now. That's gonna be the tunnel. 3 different heights. They're gonna jump up on each one of them. First, we're gonna walk them through on their training leads with some treats so that they can get an idea of how to do this.
Sit. Sit.
Oh, good boys. We did it once with their leashes on, so they are kind of familiar with what's going on, however, not that familiar. So let's see how this works. Come on, boys. Okay, over. Come over here. Up. Over. Good job, Gizmo. Leo, come. Come. Leo, over. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Here, come. Come. Okay. Over. Over. Leo, come. Woo. You're ready. Nope. Good boys. Good boys. Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh shoot, we can only do one at a time on this. Okay, ready? Up. Up, 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 up. Good job, Gizmo. Leo, come. Leo. Okay, good try, guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come in. Up. 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 Okay, come. Up. Up. Good job, Leo. Down. Leo, get down. Good. Come. Up. Okay, come.
Leo, come.
Good boys. Good boys. Good job, guys.
How does that feel?
Whew. All right. There you have it, folks. homemade agility course in the backyard with things just found around the house in the backyard. It's a beautiful day today here in Savannah, Georgia. Hope you're having a good day too. Till next time.